How would you do it? In just 2 hours, everything that was ever made by humans will disappear. Buildings, cars, roads, anime, and even infinite water bottles. Basically, our planet will rewind a few thousand years back in time, but humans will stay the same. You will be granted immortality for 1,000 years and will be tasked with rebuilding society. To help you with that, choose 3 items. 1. The Orb of AI. This is basically unlimited ChatGPT. It has access to all humanity's knowledge. However, it will still sometimes hallucinate, and it requires a sacrifice of 5,000 apples for every answer it gives. 2. The Midas Touch Glove. Turn anything you touch into anything else. Turn a box of apples into a barrel of oil, or turn a pile of dirt into gold. No, you can't create magic items this way. 3. The Flying Carpet. It's like a normal carpet, except it can fly. It can also talk, but it only talks about cats and nothing else. 4. The Time Capsule. Once a month, you'll be able to time travel into the timeline where nothing happened. You'll only have 24 hours, but you'll be able to keep everything you take with you when you return. 5. The Terraforming Staff. Easily transform terrain, move mountains, create lakes, change climates and weather. Give your glorious empire the best geography while turning your enemy's territory into a desert. 6. The Shape-Shifting Kit. Change your appearance as much as you want, to spy on your enemies or to escape danger. Keep in mind that you can only look like human. If you have a flying carpet, however, you'll be able to also turn into animals. 7. The Staff of Mind Control. Read anyone's mind, add or remove memories from their head, manipulate their dreams, or simply borrow other people's skills. So,